how to fix a Roblox screen stock when updating or installing on PC. So if you experience this kind of problem, what you want to do here is to simply go to the search bar and then type RUN or run. And then here, you just have to simply click open. And, and then here, what you want to do is simply type person symbol, local app data person symbol, and then click OK. So once you tap OK, what you want to do next is to simply locate the Roblox folder. So you can either tap this app data, click local, okay, tap local, and then type R, and it will take you to Roblox folder. Click this one. Now look for versions. Okay, tap versions. And then after that, click this one. And now look for Roblox player launcher. Okay. And then click open. So do not click this player installer, but player launcher or Roblox player launcher. And as you can see here, it is now starting to install, configure, and that's it. That's how easy it is to fix Roblox screen stock when updating or installing on your PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.